One. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Welcome to the Higher Education Virtual Expo 2023 webinar session. With me today is Yang Mulia Dr. Puah Eng Tong and Dr. Amir Demirovic from University Technology Brunei, who will be sharing a topic on programs offered by School of Applied Science and Mathematics. Without further ado, I invite you to start your presentation.
Thank you. Thanks for the introduction. So first of all, good morning. I'm Dr. Phua. I will be representing the School of Applied Sciences and Mathematics. So about this, what we call the Applied Sciences and Mathematics. Actually, we produce the graduates to work in the fast-growing industry for economic developments. So our graduates will have a skill set that is important for the strategies and objectives set out in the Brunei Vision 2035 and global skill demands. So basically, our schools will have three program areas. So the first one is Agrotechnology. The second one is Applied Mathematics and Economics, AME. And also we have the last one, the Food Science and Technology program area, FST. So currently our school is offering five programs. So for Agrotechnology, there will be one program, Bachelor of Science in Agrotechnology, minor in business. And then for the second program areas, Applied Mathematics and Economics, there are two programs being offered. So the first one is Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics and Economics, Bachelor of Science in Mathematical Finance. And also lastly, for the Food Science and Technology program area, currently we have two programs. The first one is Bachelor of Science in Food Science and Technology, and then the next one is the Bachelor of Science in Food Science and Human Nutrition. So also we have a new master program in Food Science and Technology by coursework. So it will be part-time and also the full-time. For the part-time, basically it will be 2 years, and then for the full-time it will be 1 year. And also we are offering a master by research and also the PhD programs as well. So currently we are going to have a new building for our school labs, and then the labs will be equipped with the modern equipments for all the programs that we have. Okay, so this will be the pictures, the photos for our new building that we are going to have very soon. Okay, probably around 1 or 2 years, the building will be ready. So currently, this will be the photos for some of our recent graduates, and also some of our graduates received some of the awards from the industries as well. So we have collaborations with Blocker and also the overseas company and also the organizations. It improves this what we call the student employment, movements, and also training. So we will have the staff movements and also training. And also we receive this what we call the international recognitions and accreditations of the programs as well. We are going to get the accreditations from international bodies. And also we have high standard research, development, and also innovation. So these are some of the overseas attachment of work placements. So we have different what we call the universities that the students can go to. If let's say they want to go to this overseas, they can go to like Canada, US, Germany, UK, South Korea, and also Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, New Zealand, Australia. So if let's say the students, they are the top students, actually, then we have the chance to go overseas for the work placement. So I will talk about the first program area first. Basically, will be the Agrotechnology program area. So the Agrotechnology program basically is to provide the necessary theoretical practical skills and knowledge in crops and animal production systems and agri-business and also the marketing. So currently the Agrotechnology program area offers one program, so which is the Agrotechnology minor in business. So for details information, actually you can go to the website as well. You can see over here to search for more information like the entry requirements and also the career opportunities and so on and so forth. So you can go to our website and search for information. But of course, I will give a brief introduction about what is this Bachelor of Science in Agrotechnology, minor in business. So for this program, basically it's a 3-year program. And also the minimum requirements will be like credit 6 in Malay language at GCE O level. And also you need to have a credit 6 in English language at GCE O level as well, or IELTS 6.0 or TOEFL 550. So for the program entry requirements for this program, basically you must have 200 A-level points for 3 A-level passes, including 2 relevant subjects that include biology, chemistry, food studies, physics, mathematics, further mathematics, business, and economics. So if and then the other, what we call the entry requirements, will be a minimum of 160 points for 2 A-level passes that include any of the subjects, including biology, chemistry, food studies, physics, mathematics, further mathematics, business, and economics. So if let's say you have other what we call I mean, if let's say you are from diploma or you have some of the working experience, actually you can refer to this what we call the entry requirements as well. You can see over here. So basically the Agrotechnology graduates will have the chance to apply the technical knowledge together with the communications and business skill to fill various demands or position in the agricultural industry. So the graduates can work in some of the the graduates can work as the halal food processing and quality assurance. And also it can be in the legal, business, scientific, and technical consultancy to the agricultural and agri-food sectors, teaching and research in areas related to business, agriculture, and agri-food, agricultural consultant, estate manager, farm manager, fish farm manager, and also so on and so forth. So we can see that actually there are quite a lot of these job opportunities for the graduates. Okay, so the next one, the next program area will be on the food science and technology program area. So basically, the food science and technology program area is to apply the science of technology principles to deliver the safe and appealing and convenient food products from raw materials to the consumers. So the food science and technology basically is a multidisciplinary field. It includes like food microbiology, food chemistry, analytical science, food processing, food packaging, food nutrition, food product development, and also the food safety management. So currently our program area offers 2 programs. So the first one is the Bachelor of Science in Food Science and Human Nutrition. This is the new program. And also we have the current Bachelor of Science in Food Science and Technology. So this is the current program that we have. So if let's say you want to know details, you want to know details about the programs that we offer in this food science and technology program area, you can always go to the website as well. You can see over here. So basically, when we are talking about the food science and technology, basically it's something related to the nutrition, dietitians, food science, and also the technology. What we are emphasizing basically is like nutrition, food security and sustainability, food processing technology that can be applied to process the said food, food modification, health professionals, entrepreneurs, food packaging, food product development, and so on and so forth. So we will talk about the first program offered by the FST program area, so which is the food science and technology. So this is an assisting program. It's a 3-year program. And also the minimum entry requirements will be credit 6 in both Malay and also the English at GCE O level. So for this program entry requirements, you must have 200 A-level points for 3 A-level passes, including 2 relevant subjects that include biology, chemistry, food studies, physics, mathematics, and also further mathematics. Of course, if let's say you have 160 points for 2 A-level passes that include any of the subjects, as well you can see over here, actually you have already fulfilled this program entry requirements as well. So about these future careers, basically what you can do in the future is that you will have the chance to work in the food industry as a food development. I mean, you can develop the food. You can work as a quality assurance. Okay, you can be working in this work with the food plant management, food research, food marketing and sales, education and extension, flavor chemist, supply chain and sourcing, and also other job opportunities, basically. That's what you can see over here. So the second program offered by the Food Science and Technology program area basically will be the new one. This is the Food Science and Human Nutrition. Okay, so it's a 3-year program. So similarly, the minimum entry requirements will be practices in both Malay and also the English at GCE level. So in terms of program entry requirements, the entry requirements will be slightly different as compared to Food Science and Technology. So you must have 200 A-level points for 3 A-level passes, including biology. Biology is must. And 2 relevant subjects that include chemistry, food studies, physics, mathematics, and also further mathematics. Or it can be a minimum of 160 points for 2 A-level passes that include biology and any of the subjects chemistry, including chemistry, food studies, physics, mathematics, and also further mathematics. So in terms of these future careers, basically after you have finished the study, okay, you can work as a nutritionist, dietitians. If let's say you have already gone through this work with the master program in dietitians, you can work as a certified nutritionist or dietitians. Okay, then after that you can become the herbalist, you can become this personal trainer, you can become this health service manager, product development, quality assurance, food plant management, food research, and also other job opportunities. So this basically will be the career path for the dietitians and also the nutritionists. So basically, the food science technology together with this agrotechnology, they are very important globally, because this is something related to the food security and also to deliver a safe food. So as well, you can see from the newspaper is that we can see that in order to achieve this program, the Brunei Vision 2033, is very important for us to have these 2 programs. So other than what we have discussed just now, actually you can work in some of the global industries as well, like for example, Nestle, PepsiCo, Kellogg's, okay, Mars, Unilever, Coca-Cola, and also etc. So these are the products that is manufactured or produced by the companies over here. So I expect that these are some of the products that you should have. I mean, you know it, okay? So these are the products that you know it. And also for the local companies, we will have some of the companies like PDS, Raw Point, DOAA, MOH, Ideal Food, MOH, Halal Food, Mr. Bankers, BMC, Golden Corporations, Department of Fisheries and PRT, Sabli, Satyan, Garni, and also etc. We have quite a lot of these food companies or food industries in what we call the Brunei. Okay, so that's all from my side. So I will let my colleagues to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ahmed Damirovich, and I will present programs in our another program area, Applied Mathematics and Economics. It is quite different than food science. We focus on economics and finance. We offer 2, I would say, unique undergraduate programs focusing on economics, finance, mathematical analysis, and data analysis. students are offered chance to specialize in 2 areas. Economics, that's our program in applied mathematics and economics, and finance. That's our program in mathematical finance. Those programs are pretty similar and differs in 6 modules. So economic students will be pursuing economic-specific modules, and finance students will be focusing on finance-specific modules. And many modules like background, foundation, mathematical modules, statistical modules, econometrics modules are the same. So what you will be learning? What's unique in both programs is that you will be learning mathematical analysis. Both programs offer a load of mathematical modules. So these are programs for those inclined for mathematical analysis. After mathematical analysis, then you will be learning statistical analysis or data analysis. We will be evaluating empirical data and building models based on empirical data. And after those foundational modules, students will be focusing on economics. Economics deals with economy in general, like what countries produce, which factors influence employment rate, which factors determine inflation, and so on. On the other hand, finance students will be focusing on financial markets. What's the value of stuff? Why values of companies change? What determines returns on investment, and so on. So these programs will prepare you to work in any company that requires quantitative analysis. Primary sectors are banks, insurance companies, and virtually any larger private company that has finance department. Also, governmental institutions require skills in quantitative analysis, economics, and finance. Those are ministries and agencies managing countries' economy. And generally, as all of us witnessed over the past few decades and more recently, more and more jobs require hands-on data analysis skills, hands-on qualitative and quantitative analysis skills. So those modules that we are covering are really essential for most of the modern jobs and will be more and more required. So both programs are 3 years long, consist of 5 semesters, 5 taught semesters, plus 1 semester of work placement, where students will have an opportunity to gain some work experience and get a sense how it's to work in the industry, and hopefully get connections that will make it easier for them to find jobs after they graduate. Minimum entry requirements are standard for English language. Then program-specific requirements are 180 A levels for 3 A-level passes, including 2 relevant subjects related to mathematics, economics, or business, or 160 points for 2 A-level passes, and also including subjects that are pretty broadly defined. So it's virtually anything that has any relations with mathematics, statistics, economics, or finance. Okay, that would be brief presentation of our programs. Thank you for your attention. If there are any questions, I will be happy to answer them.
Thank you for your insightful presentation. Before moving on to the next segment, I would like to remind the presenters that we have about 2 minutes left. We shall now proceed to the Q&A session. The first question is, will there be any internship opportunities embedded in the modules for the food science programs?
Yes, there will be an internship for the students. Yeah, at the end of this, what we call a program at year 3. So there will be an internship with this what we call the assigned final year project for the students. Sorry. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Sorry, I apologize.
Okay.
What are the requirements for those who have IBTE qualifications? Are they eligible to apply? For example, if they have HN Tech in Agrotechnology.
Yes, that can apply. If let's say they have this what we call the IBTE at a BTQF level of 5, actually they can apply. Yeah, for more details information, actually you can search for this what we call the entry requirements at the UTP website. Yeah, so there will be more details what we call the entry requirements for the IBTE students.
Thank you, Yang Mulia Dr. Wang Engtong and Dr. Amir Demirovic for answering the question. We hope this session has been beneficial for our viewers. Should you have any inquiries or in need of further information, you may browse through their booth in our Higher Education Virtual Expo website at heexpo.moi.gov.pn. Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
In our next.
If you have any questions, sorry, okay, if you have any other questions, please feel free to send me an email. I will try to answer you. So my contact details will be on the UTP website. Okay, you can search for my information over there, and then you can just send me an email. Okay, I will try to answer your queries. Okay, thank you.
Joining us. See you soon in our next webinar session starting at 11:10 a.m. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.